Hello, now we have 19th week, we are talking about laundry, and let's continue with Latin language. So idioms. Vestis virum facet, the clothes make the man. Vir clarissimus semper vestimentis egregiis utitur, vestis virum facet certe. A distinguished man always uses excellent garments, clothes make the man for sure. Mundus purus et decorus, clean, pure and tidy. Matrona senectute vigit, vestes tamen eius semper munde pure decore sunt. The matron is thriving in her old age, however her clothes are always clean, pure and tidy. Vestis emendata mens casta, clean clothes, chaste mind. Vestis emendata mens casta splendorum anime demonstrat. Clean clothes, chaste mind shows the brilliance of the soul. Curam vestium habere, to take care of one's clothes. Curam vestium habere est utile quia vestes servata diutius durant. Taking care of one's clothes is useful because preserved clothes last longer. Vestis immaculata, spotless clothes. Vestis immaculates es decet in convivio. It is fitting to have spotless clothes in the banquet. Vestis candida, white clothing. Vestis candida puritatem et innocentiam significat. White clothing signifies purity and innocence. And let's look at dialogue. Salve amice, quam rem agis hodie? Salvus sis, hodie nobis cura vestium est. Dominus noster patricios Romanus expectet vestis immaculatas et candidas. Certum est. Vestis virum facet et nobis est curam vestium habere. Nunc tempus est ut mundus purus et decorus simus in munere nostro. Recte dicest, vestis emendata mens casta, sicut proverbium dicet, cum vestis sint pure, animus noster quoque castus erit. Hec vestis immaculata est, quam iam dudum diabimus et ad hoc candescit, et sem hoc qualium candidum mundandum est. Sine dubio, quae sunt vestis candida, non neglecta erunt, nobis omnis curata esse apportet. Certe, omni ad mundum purum et decorum accedit. Nunc operemur ut omnes vestis sint immaculata et candide. Age, vestis virum facet, et nostre manus eiusdem operis argumentum erunt. Efficamus ut vestis Dominum nostrum delectant, et nostrum munus benigne compleamus. Let's translate it. Greetings, friend. What are you up today? Greetings. Greetings. Today we have the task of taking care of the master clothes. Our Roman patrician must expect spotless and white garments in Crete. Indeed, clothes make the man, and it's our responsibility to take care of the garments. Now it's a time for us to be clean, pure, and tidy in our duty. You're right. Clean clothes, chaste mind, as the proverb says. When the clothes are pure, our minds will also be chaste. This garment is spotless. We washed it a while ago, and it is still becoming white. This white cloak also needs cleaning. Without a doubt, those white garments won't be neglected. Everything must be well kept. Certainly, everything contributes to being clean, pure, and tidy. Now let's work to ensure all the clothes are spotless and white. Let's go. Clothes make the man, and our hands will be a testament to the same work. Let's make sure the master's garments delight him, and let's complete our task with kindness. Thank you for your attention.